So now we are going to create another class which is to identify area of a rectangle. Okay, so let's create a new class. Right click, new
Area.
area.
Is it okay,
Area.
sir? Name?
Yes, yes.
Area.
And what we are going to do is you just have the main method there.
Is it okay, sir?
Yes. So now what we are going to do is we are going to write the area of a rectangle. What is generally rectangle area formula?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. So first of all, you just add a comment there so that you will understand. How do you add comments? Two forward slashes.
Yes, sir.
Create variables. Okay. Create variables. How many variables you want? You need to have
Length and
length,
breadth.
breadth, and
Area.
area. Three variables I want. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
int int length int length semicolon. You can write the value also. Int length is equal to, you just give length is equal to some value and then give a semicolon. Okay. And int breadth breadth is equal to, give some value, and int area semicolon. Okay, so that variable will hold the value of the area, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now so just give a comment that is for your reference. Okay, so enter two forward slashes formula. No, next line. Enter. No, enter two forward
Again,
slashes formula. Okay, formula. Yeah,
yes,
give a
sir.
comment. So you are going to write area is equal to, next line, area is equal to length into breadth semicolon. Now semicolon. So you are going to tell the system saying that system.out.println system.out.println. There you are going to write area of the, within the double quotes, area of the rectangle is, area of the rectangle is, just give a space, and then what is the variable name you have, plus area, area, area. Now run that program. So if you run, automatically you will be able to see the area as 5 into 4, 20, right? So 20 will be your output.
Yes, sir.
So if at all you wanted to print some other statements, right? So before printing the area of the rectangle, if you wanted to print the length is, the breadth is, if you wanted to print, you can do that also.
Sir, a
So on
small
top
doubt,
of
sir.
that, hmm,
Like here we
yes,
have
go ahead.
written in 4 5 lines that int length equal to some value, into breadth equal to some value, right, sir?
Hmm,
So can we like
yes,
write it like int length equal to 5 comma breadth equal to 4 semicolon? Like can we do it in the
yes,
same line, sir?
yes. Yes, that's what we have discussed in our previous session also, right? In the
Uh,
variable, when we are declaring the variables, we have done that also. Okay, you no need to declare multiple times, but generally it will be a good practice whenever you wanted to define something individually, you will go with it. If at all you don't want to do that way, you can do that way also. Either of the ways are fine.
yes, sir.
Okay, so system.out.println, the next statement, within the double quotes, the length of the rectangle is, the length of the rectangle is plus length. You just give plus and then length. Yeah, copy paste the same thing and you are going to have the breadth also. So there you specify instead of breadth, you can write. You have to give the variable name properly. If you give capital B, it will not print, right? Why?
Yes. We have, it is case sensitive. We have given their small b.
Correct. Correct. So hope you understand the difference, right?
Yes, sir.
Now
Should
you run this program and then you should be able to see all the values. It will show you the length of the rectangle is 5, breadth of the rectangle is 4, and the area of the rectangle is 20. Okay. So
yes,
this
sir.
is how you are going to create it. So now you just open a notepad. So we're going to talk about a new topic today. So that topic is all about data types. You can keep the heading as data types. You have already seen these data types. Okay, what are the data types you have seen already? You have seen, if you go back to your IntelliJ, so there is int data type, right? There
Yes, sir.
is string data type, there is float data type, like that we have already seen. So first of all, you need to understand what is a data type. So whenever you come across data type, what do you mean by data type in your own way?
Maybe it's given. It is a like name
Hmm,
to address. It
hmm.
specifies the address of a variable.
Any variable in any of the programming language needs to be specified with the data type. Okay, so what
Yes,
kind
sir.
of data you are going to make use of it for that particular variable, whether it could be a integer, whether it could be a float number or a character or a boolean. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so there you just need to write data types have been classified into two types. Data types have been classified into two types. Have been classified into two types. First one is primitive data type. Primitive data type. And the second one is a non-primitive data type. Second one is non-primitive data type. Now you need to understand what are all the things will come as part of primitive data type.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just write a primitive data type as an example. Primitive type as an example. So you have around eight primitive data type examples. Okay. So those are byte, B-Y-T-E, byte. First one is byte, B-Y-T-E, byte. Okay, next. Why are you putting star there? Not required.
Like here, like for
Not
the
required.
just.
That's okay. Not required.
Okay, sir.
Just remove it. Byte. Okay. First one is byte. Second one is short, S-H-O-T, S-H-O-R-T, short. And the next one is int, I-N-T, all small letters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one, long, L-O-N-G, long. Next one, float, F-L-O-A-T, float. Next one, double, D-O-U-B-L-E, double. And boolean, B-O-O-L-E-A-N. And the last one is char, C-H-A-R. Okay, these are all primitive data types. Under that, non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data type. You will have strings, string,
S capital or small,
string,
sir.
S capital, string, S-T-R-I-N-G, string, comma, arrays, A capital, A-R-R-A-Y-S, arrays. Last one is classes, C-L-A-S-S-E-S, C-L-A, C capital, C-L-A, C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Okay. So we are not going to touch too much on the non-primitive data types at this point of time. You are going to learn these in the due course. Okay. As of now, we are going to primarily focus on all the primitive data types and also string data type. So these things we are going to discuss more. Any questions?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Now what we are going to do is what is that each data type does. Okay. So if you go to byte data type, what byte does, it will store the whole numbers. You can just write adjacent to that, stores whole numbers, stores whole numbers. You know whole numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But whenever you say whole numbers, it starts from,
0.
but here you will have negative numbers also. So in that case, you can make it as integers. Okay. So instead of whole numbers, you put it as integers, stores integers. Don't have whole. Okay. Have it
Okay,
as
sir.
only integers. So there is a range for these numbers. Okay, stores integers
Yes,
minus
sir.
128 to 127, minus 128 to minus 128 to 127. Okay, next short, same. It also stores integers. Okay, short. There the range is minus 32,768, minus 32,768 to 32,767. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So int and long. You just write stores integers, stores integers. The range you no need to remember. Okay. First byte and short you may remember, but the next numbers are very big. Okay. So you no need to remember those numbers, but you can. We will write one more number, that is int how much range it is going to store. Okay.
Okay,
That
sir.
is minus. The range is minus 2147. It's a number only. Okay. Minus 2147 483 648, minus 2147 483 648 to same number at the end 7. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So long will be more than the above. You can just simply specify more than the above. Okay. So if you want, I can tell you that number also, but it's not necessary to remember everything. It's a big number. If you want, you can note down that also. That range is minus 9 223 372 036 854 775 808. So what would be the last number? You already know, right? The same manner.
807.
Correct. So copy paste the same thing. That will be the long number. So nobody is going to ask you this particular range. Okay. But some of the people may ask you what is byte range and what is short range. Up to that level, if you remember, that is fine. Okay. You don't need to mug up all these things. Are you clear so far?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? Whenever you're trying to declare any integer variable, if the number range is in between minus 128 to 127, you can make use of byte. If you wanted to increase the number size, then you can use short. If at all you wanted to increase a number more than the next level, then you are going to use int. We are going to see practically those examples. And then the next one is float. It
Yes, sir.
stores fractional numbers. It stores fractional
Rational
numbers.
numbers.
So 6 to 7 decimal digits. 6 to 7 decimal digits. What does it mean? So whenever you are writing, right, for example, 12.23, after 0.2 decimals, like that you can have up to 7 decimals. That is where you are going to use float. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is double, you are going to make use same copy paste on the top, stores fractional numbers, range from 15 to 16 decimal digits. 15 to 16 decimal digits. 15 to 16
16 decimal
decimal digits.
digits.
Okay. And the next one is Boolean. It stores true or false value. It stores true or false value. Character, it is a single character, correct?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to talk about all these examples one by one. So what are all coming as part of integers? You are going to get the integers part as byte, short,
Int and
and
long.
then int and long. So let's talk about those values first. Okay. So you create a new class. You create a new class. Data type example. You can give it as data type example. Data type example. Don't give any spaces. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we are going to do, we are going to demonstrate all the examples of the data type. So have the main method.
Yes, sir.
And now I'm asking you to define one variable with byte data type. Okay. So let's take one variable.
What should I name it,
Byte,
sir?
byte,
Yes, sir.
byte, space. You just have one variable name. Let's say my var, my var, my var. Okay. Is equal to, you give a number. What should be the range of byte value?
Minus 128 to 127.
Okay. Let's give 100 and then give semicolon
Yes, sir.
and then print the value. So you're able to print it, right? You don't see any errors there.
Yes, sir.
Correct. When you are writing the program also, you're able to see and then run the program and see it. You are able to print it. Did you run?
Yes, sir. It is executed. 100.
Okay. 100. Now in the place of 100, can you give 128 instead of 1 to 100? Just give 128.
Yes, sir.
See what is that error it is showing.
Required type byte provided int.
That means 128 is not allowed when you are making use of the data type as byte. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Because the range is only from minus 128 to 127. If you give 127, it will allow. Just give 127.
Yes, sir. No issue,
And
no
run the
error is
program.
showing.
So, are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now run the program.
Yes, sir. It is executed.
Okay. Just comment those first two lines for your future reference. You can make use of that example at a later point of time.